stop scrolling. If you're using the internet, you need to hear this. I just launched a brand new YouTube channel called Cybersecure World. On this channel, I will show you exactly how hackers think. How can you protect yourself and your business? You will get real cybersecurity tutorials, Kali Linux tools, Wi-Fi security, phishing awareness, password protection, privacy tips, and practical steps that you can apply immediately. No complicated talks, just clear step-by-step videos that actually makes you safer. Search Cybersecurity World on YouTube right now. Hit subscribe and turn on the notification because the videos could save your account. Or I can show you a really quick way on how to do this. If you can just open your browser, go to my website cybersecureworld.net, enter. First, this is a website. You can search for anything on it. You can leave me any ideas or suggestions if you have any, so I can prepare videos for you if you want me to talk about anything, any topic. And under each category of these you'll find all the tools. This is where most of the tools are stored. If you click on cybersecurity tools, you'll find all the tools of Kali Linux, and then at the end, these are the tools of Kali Linux that most of penetration testers, cybersecurity analysts and specialists, and any hacker are using. And then I've put some tutorials like Azure services, how to connect Azure to Ubuntu Linux. Has your email ever been exposed in a data breach? How to hack into Windows 11, how to hack into Windows 10, and many more. But to go back to the YouTube channel, just open the website cybersecureworld.net. You will find the YouTube channel here. Click on that, subscribe. Let me just pause this one. You click on subscribe, sign in, enter your Gmail account, and then you can subscribe to the new channel. I'm not uploading any videos for the new old channels for now. I'm going to use this one for everything. If you click on videos, you will see all the videos that has been uploaded already. If you go to playlists, you can see all different playlists for everything. Software, Linux, you can see cybersecurity, Cisco, technology, and if you go to podcasts, you will find some podcasts here, like cybersecurity videos, the technologies, bedtime stories has been created using AI, Cisco, and this is the course for cybersecurity here in Australia. And you'll find more and more videos coming soon also. So subscribe, hit the button, and follow up with a new channel. Thank you.